Okay. Hi, welcome to Missologist. So we are making cocktails, sort of cocktails in honor of Matrix Resurrections because that's coming out very soon. I actually have only seen the first movie, so I need to fix that. But so we're making two different cocktails. We're making a red pill and a blue pill, which makes sense for the Matrix. So what we're gonna do is take some peach schnapps, which I have, here we go. But actually I got peach brandy instead because I couldn't find peach schnapps in whatever. Okay, so we are doing 1.5 ounces of peach schnapps and we're gonna shake this part. So 1, and I'm of course spilling because that's what I do. 1.5 ounces of peach brandy. This is, who are you? Hiram Walker peach brandy. And now we're gonna do 4 ounces of vodka. Holy crap. Okay, no we're not, sorry, that doesn't go in that part. Pineapple juice goes in this part. So 3 ounces of pineapple juice, but there will be vodka. So 3 ounces of pineapple juice. Okay, this part we shake with ice. Okay, and we're gonna actually strain these into 2 different glasses, because, you know, it's a red pill and a blue pill. So I'm gonna shake this. Strong arm muscles, must be the bar classes. Okay, so we're gonna strain part of this. I don't really know. I mean, it should be about 5.5 ounces, so, but I don't want to put too much in one and not enough in the other, so I'm just gonna try to make them even. I think that's about all she wrote. Okay, so we got our peach schnapps and our pineapple juice. Lovely. Now what we're gonna do is take vodka. We're gonna take half the vodka. So we're gonna take 2 ounces of vodka. Glasses. Okay, 2 ounces of vodka in each glass. What did I do with the vodka? Oh, it's right here. Okay, 2 ounces of vodka in 1 glass. And you're actually supposed to use strawberry liqueur, but I could not find that anywhere, so I'm using Palma because I really like Palma and it's red. So okay, so 2 ounces, although I could use creme de cassis too, so maybe we'll just do that instead. Okay, 2 ounces of vodka. Oh boy, almost out of vodka. Alright, 2 ounces of vodka and 1 ounce of red liqueur, whatever you happen to have. So, since I have this creme de cassis here, I'm going to use that instead of the Palma. And we want 1 ounce of that, or a little extra because I suck at pouring stuff. Okay, and then in the second one, oh, we were supposed to have blue curacao, but I actually forgot the blue curacao. So, we have this instead. We have Midori. So we're gonna use that instead and call this a red pill and a green pill because I screwed up and didn't grab the curacao. Okay, so 1 ounce of green. Now I could add some yellow to this and make it blue, but that's okay. Alright, so pretend that's curacao. Okay, so we got these. So now we're gonna pour the vodka and cassis over 1 glass. And then the other glass, we're gonna pour the vodka and the Midori. And that is your Matrix red pill and green pill, because no blue pill. Okay, let's see how they taste. That is really good. Oh man, the pineapple juice is really good. That is delicious. I'm expecting the green pill to taste pretty similar, but let's see. It does taste slightly different, because you're getting more of the melon. Yeah, that's not good. I would not recommend using Midori. I would use blue curacao. The melon is kind of mixing with the pineapple in an interesting way, but I'm not sure I like it. So, you know, given the oversight on my part, it's fine. Okay, so cheers, and go see Matrix Resurrections, because Keanu Reeves.